What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're making 5 quick breads. Smash that like button and let's get started. Alright guys, first up we're tackling a classic banana bread. You're gonna need 3 ripe bananas. The riper the better, trust me on this one. Mash those up good. Next, add in 1/3 cup of melted butter. Don't worry, we'll wait. Now for the dry ingredients. In a separate bowl, mix together 1 cup of flour, half a cup of sugar. You can use brown sugar if you're feeling fancy. 1 teaspoon of baking soda and a pinch of salt. Now, here's a pro tip. Don't overmix. Just stir it until everything's combined. Now gently fold the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. Once it's all mixed together, pour that beautiful batter into a greased loaf pan. Pop it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 50 to 60 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Alright, next up we're diving into a personal favorite, zucchini bread. Don't knock it till you try it, guys. This bread is moist, delicious, and a great way to sneak in some veggies. Start by grating 2 cups of zucchini. Make sure to squeeze out any excess moisture. In a large bowl, whisk together 2 eggs, 1 cup of vegetable oil, and 3/4 cup of sugar. Next, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, because everything's better with vanilla. In a separate bowl, combine 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and half a teaspoon of salt. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, mixing until just combined. Now, gently fold in the zucchini. Pour the batter into a greased and floured loaf pan and bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 to 60 minutes. Chapter 3. Pumpkin Bread. Perfection. It's time for some pumpkin bread, people. This recipe is perfect for fall, but honestly, I could eat pumpkin bread year-round. Alright, let's get to it. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large bowl, combine 1½ cups of sugar and half a cup of vegetable oil. Then, whisk in 2 eggs, one at a time. Now, here comes the star of the show. Add in 1 cup of pumpkin puree. Make sure you're using pure pumpkin puree, not pumpkin pie filling. In a separate bowl, whisk together 2 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of nutmeg, a 1/4 teaspoon of ginger, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cloves. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, mixing until just combined. Pour that gorgeous batter into a greased and floured loaf pan and bake for 50 to 60 minutes. Chapter 4. Lemon Poppy Seed Power. Get ready for some zesty lemon poppy seed bread. This recipe is bursting with fresh lemon flavor and has the perfect amount of sweetness. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large bowl, cream together 1 cup of softened butter and 1½ cups of sugar until light and fluffy. Beat in 4 eggs, one at a time. Now zest 2 lemons and add the zest to the bowl. Juice those lemons and add a 1/4 cup of lemon juice. In a separate bowl, whisk together 2½ cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of salt. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, mixing until just combined. Stir in 2 tablespoons of poppy seeds, pour the batter into a greased and floured loaf pan, and bake for 50 to 60 minutes. Chapter 5. Chocolate Chip Champion. Last but definitely not least, we're making chocolate chip bread, because who doesn't love chocolate chips? This recipe is super simple and always a crowd pleaser. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large bowl, cream together half a cup of softened butter and 3/4 cup of sugar until light and fluffy. Beat in 2 eggs, one at a time. Stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1 3/4 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and half a teaspoon of salt. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, mixing until just combined. Now, for the best part, fold in 1 cup of chocolate chips. Pour the batter into a greased and floured loaf pan and bake for 50 to 60 minutes. There you have it, folks. 5 amazing quick bread recipes that are sure to satisfy your taste buds. Whether you're in the mood for something classic like banana bread or something a little more adventurous like zucchini bread, there's a recipe here for everyone. These breads are perfect for breakfast, brunch, or even dessert. And the best part is, they're all super easy to make. So grab your ingredients and let's get baking.